We're filming, so don't say any bad words. You killed me.
Can I mind bad words?
All right, so right now where I'm at is cutting this guy. You all right?
Yeah, no.
Nice hose. So the top's cut off, and then I took the whole back of the car and cut it off where it was right here, because in a little bit, when I get the bracing in here and the doors back on, after I chop the tops of the doors, I'll move that back to the wheels. And doors are all in bare metal. Did that last night. Here's the top. And you guys see me cut that piece off already, so. And really, we're only using just a little bit of the top. Everything else will be all handmade, and then the doors, how they go straight down, they're actually gonna go like this and curve down so that, not a lot, but I'll show you when I get that built. What are you doing? Are you drinking antifreeze again?
Somebody was drinking antifreeze.
That's the right hose. You got it on backwards, no
Well, I'll
nuts.
just look it up here for some reason. You know,
Oh, you're gonna hook it into the firewall?
it's got to be an improvement from the way it was.
I don't know. You mean the bent radiator's gonna be okay?
Oh, yeah.
So this truck was in a bad accident. It's the whole truck is literally bent. Doors don't close right, cab's bent. Whole truck's built out of Bondo right here. It's not good. The whole cab's Bondo. And if you watch look at the body lines, it comes down and touches and goes back apart. Doors hitting, and it's got new hinges and stuff on it. It's not good.
I think it went like this.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, kind of like you.
This thing's way worse looking than I am.
That's no lie.
Hi, Bill.
Do you have anything you want to say to Noisy Plick in Australia?
Keep your feet on the grind. Hurry up.
Yeah, hurry up and get here, man. Where you at? So the Noisy Plick is Glenn from NZ Mopar. Go check his channel out. Guy's awesome.
Yeah, he is.
His channel's part of us now. He's a worker here, and he's part of Minnesota Outlaw Customs. So, man, this shop is a wreck right now. Would you hurry up and get that piece of crap out of here so I can get this thing done? So Jay's back with a vengeance.
I'm still working on
You want to say anything?
I'm still working on Bill's stuff.
What are you doing? Oh, no, is this your hair clip?
Shit. Oh, shit, I said shit. Okay, twice, 2 times. My bad. It's impossible. I'm sorry.
You have a potty mouth. I would never do that. All right, back at it. So we got the top cut. It's literally just sitting on top of here. It's not welded, it's not nothing. All I did is take some pieces of 1x1 tubing, welded down to here, and then ran a piece out so the top can sit on. And then cut this here so it brought the top out, and then put a slice here, and that's a relief cut so it brings it in. And then when I put this up higher, these will match up perfect. And then I took this wire and I ran it 3 lengths of wire together, and then just took a pair of pliers. And how I did that is I just tighten this wire up until it tighten this wire up until it brought those posts together. But if you look at the chop, it's 13 inches tall now, and before it was. So what I did is I took out 4 inches. Oh gosh. So it was 17 inches tall, if I'm doing my math right, and I dropped it 4 inch. So you can see here that on the top, you know, if you look at this in real life, this top would be about 13 inches tall, something like that, and that's kind of what I'm going off. You know, I'm trying to make it where it's just like this picture, you know, the renderings that Glenn and the other kid did. So it should be pretty badass. Now what?
Oh.
You're gonna be in here all night messing with this stupid radiator on.
Over one dumb clip.
Yeah.
Automotive engineers suck.
He tipped what back? Oh, you made a mess. You always make a mess, man.
Yeah.
So here we go. So we got all this stuff spot welded on, and got everything measured, and it's I measured from here to here, and it's exactly 13 inch. So it turned out good. And then tomorrow I'll start putting the doors on, and then moving this piece forward and shortening the doors and stretching the fronts of the doors and doing all that crap. And then this whole cab area has got to get moved back tomorrow because this tire here is going to come up in here. So like this far up into the door. But I got a truck in the way right now, so maybe tomorrow I'll kind of show you what I got going on. But stand back and kind of show you what the chop looks like. It looks mean. Thanks for watching.